How to resize image on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Go to the search bar and search for a free online image resizing tool by typing Resize image. Here, select on Image Resizer as shown. Once you're on the website, tap on Select Images to choose an image from your photo library. Then choose the Photo Library option from the menu. After selecting the image, it will take some time to finish uploading and it will be displayed on the page. Now, tap on the Resize Settings option. Here, you can adjust the width and height. Once you're done, tap on Resize Images. After processing, tap the Download Image button to save the file. Tap on Download in the pop-up to confirm. You can find the resized image in Safari's Downloads folder. Following these steps, you can easily resize an image on an iPhone.